5 foods that turn toxic when refrigerated. Number 5 is the most common mistake we all make.
30 Ayurvedic lessons that changed my life.
Number 1 and number 2 is rice and pasta. It's very easy to batch cook for a whole week, but these two foods are simple carbs and have starch that starts converting into sugar when refrigerated. In fact, rice and pasta both have a bacteria called Bacillus cereus which starts growing after the food has cooled down. And this is a heat-resistant bacteria, which means even when you reheat leftovers, it doesn't kill this bacteria. This bacteria can start impacting the liver, kidney, causing symptoms like diarrhea, vomiting. There have been some sad cases of children dying from food poisoning after eating leftover pastas and rice. Never keep them for more than 24 hours. Cook it fresh, consume it within 3 hours, or cool it down and refrigerate for a maximum of 24 hours, never more than that. Number 3 is onion. Onion does not like a cold temperature in the refrigerator, and because of the lack of airflow, it starts collecting all the moisture, which is conducive for mold growth like Aspergillus, Penicillium, Pseudomonas, and these bacteria start releasing aflatoxins, mycotoxins, ochratoxins, which is known to be an immunosuppressant and has carcinogenic effects. It also damages the kidney and liver in the long run. Always cut onion fresh, cook it and consume it. And if you're going to store it in the refrigerator, make sure to make a pickle out of it, or a kimchi, or a sauerkraut, or soak it in salt water, which is brine. Number 4, garlic. The same reason, it has a bacteria called Aspergillus. It causes garlic to start having mold growth, which has a very strong odor. And this mold is invisible to the naked eye. Most often it's white in color and you think it's natural, but it's not. Throw it away immediately. Always buy garlic with the peel, not the peeled garlic. Peel the garlic just when you're about to cook. Store it in a dry, cool place outside the refrigerator in a mesh basket. Number 5 is the most common mistake we all make. Storing ginger in the refrigerator because it's going to dry up on the outside. Ginger starts collecting moisture. It starts having the presence of green and blue color mold inside of it, which is due to the presence of bacteria like Rhizopus fusarium. Now, these again release toxins like aflatoxins, mycotoxins, which impacts the liver, kidney, causes diarrhea, vomiting, food poisoning symptoms. It's best to either make ginger juice and store it in a bottle without the pulp, or store it outside the refrigerator in a dry, cool place. And potatoes is the bonus here. Never store cooked potatoes in the refrigerator or even uncooked potatoes. It is known to have sprouts and mold growth, which can impact your digestive system. Here's to healthy living and a healthy you.